everyone, welcome back to my channel Musings of Akanksha. Namaste, how are you guys? I hope all of you are good. Well, I'm so happy that you guys have joined me today. It has been long that I've come here and spoken about some parenting tips, but today we are going to do that. Well, today we'll be discussing about a topic which raises quite a lot of discussion among parents, quite a lot of discussions, trust me guys, and that is the style of parenting. Which style is good, which style is not so good, and what style we should adopt. So here you go. But wait, we should first acknowledge the fact that parenting is not just challenging but rewarding also. And we should also pat ourselves on the back for doing a fabulous job as parents. Remember, as parents, we're not just nurturing our children, but we're also nurturing ourselves. Well, parenting is an art, and like any other art form, parenting also is to each its own. There are different ways of parenting. Today we are going to discuss two most important ways of parenting: child-led parenting and parent-led parenting. Well, both have its own philosophies, both have its own methodologies, and both create its own dynamics within the family. Let's start with parent-led parenting. This kind of approach is more structured and directive. The parents who follow this guide their child's behavior and choices, believing that this will instill in them proper discipline and right kind of attitude. The beauty of this style lies in its clarity and predictability. Children know exactly what is expected of them and they try to stay within the boundaries. But how well does it reflect in their daily life? Let's talk about that also. Well, it seems that this kind of an approach do really help in instilling discipline in your kids. No doubt. On the other hand, child-led parenting prioritizes a child's choices and interest. Here, the driving force is a child's curiosity. It makes your child at a very early age autonomous and instills into your child decision-making power. This method can lead to incredibly creative and resilient individuals. It's all about trusting that your child knows their mind and their heart. It's fascinating to watch their personalities unfold as they lead their own journey. Well, at our home, we blend these two styles. We've tried to create and, yes, successfully found a right mix of these two styles, which has a scope for our children to explore their own individuality, to explore their own independence, and also has a scope for us to guide them for their well-rounded growth. It's all about balancing and adjusting to our children's needs as they grow. Thank you for watching this video. Well, parenting is unique to everyone. There is no right or wrong in parenting. We just have to find out what works best for us. So embrace your own unique path and walk in the beautiful journey of parenting and create your own idea of parenting. And remember, the best approach is the one that works best for you and your family. So which parenting style do you resonate with? I would love to hear your stories, your thoughts, and your comments on the same. Please drop in your stories, your thoughts and your ideas in the comment section. Also, if you want to see more such videos, please tell me the topic that you want to know about. Until then, stay blessed, keep yourself safe, happy parenting, bye bye, tata, namaste. If you like my video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Do not forget to share your love with us in the comment section. Bye bye.